Welcome back to GeoStats. In this video, I'll show you how to create those awesome world data videos you see everywhere. You know the ones: animated country statistics, super smooth transitions, and a really clean design. And the best part, you can make them all using simple, free tools. Yep, no need for expensive, complicated software. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need your data. You can find reliable country data from trusted sources like the World Bank, the IMF, Statista, or even government databases. Just look for an option to download the data as an Excel file. Once you have it, open it up. Make sure your file is organized with the country name in one column and the data value right next to it. For example, you might have one column for the country and another for its military budget, GDP, or population. Keep it simple and clean, with no extra columns or confusing information. Now, open up CapCut on your computer and click Create New Project. The first thing you'll import is your world map. You can use an image or even a video background. You can find great high-resolution world maps on free stock websites, or you can easily design your own in a tool like Canva. Once it's imported, just drag the map onto your timeline. Okay, here comes the most important part: animating the data for each country. We're going to do this using text animations and keyframes. Click on the text tool and add the first country's name. Position it right over that country on the map. Now, go to the animation tab. I like to use a simple fade in or slide up effect. Keep it subtle and smooth, about half a second usually looks perfect. Now, just duplicate that text layer for your next country. All you have to do is change the country name and the data value, then move it to the correct spot on the map. Repeat this process for all the countries you want to feature. To make it look even more professional, let's animate the numbers. Instead of just showing the final number, we'll make it count up. Add another text layer for the value and start it at 0. Then, using keyframes, move forward about 1 second in your timeline and change the text to the final value. See, it looks so much more dynamic now. Next up, transitions. To move between each country, let's add a simple camera zoom effect. Go to the Effects panel and search for Zoom. Apply it lightly between your clips. Remember, don't go crazy with effects. A clean, simple look is always better. For the audio, choose some cinematic or minimal electronic background music. Make sure to lower the volume to around 15% so it doesn't overpower your visuals. You can also add a subtle whoosh sound effect each time you switch to a new country. Finally, let's talk about export settings. For the best quality, set your resolution to 1920 by 1080, your frame rate to 30 frames per second, and the format to MP4, and that's it. You've just created a professional-looking world data animation video. In my next video, I'll show you how to take this to the next level and turn it into a viral GeoStats-style video with ranking animations and smooth comparison effects. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to subscribe to GeoStats. Let's build some powerful data videos together. Thanks for watching.